Some lizards need to sprint. This agama will have to dash for cover if the world's fastest mammal gets seriously playful. And in Australia, this frilled lizard can scare off a would-be predator. The frills make it look bigger. It's a bluff.
Dame tu cosita.